Have you ever wondered what the ultimate PC setup looks like? Picture a powerful machine that can handle the most demanding games, render high-quality videos in a snap, and breeze through any productivity task you throw at it. Today, we are going to explore how to build such a setup, step by step. We'll start with the heart of the machine, the processor. When choosing a processor, consider your needs and budget. If you're into heavy gaming or video editing, a high-end processor like the Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 9 is a must. These processors offer top-tier performance, ensuring your PC can handle any task with ease. Next, we move to the motherboard. It's crucial to pick a motherboard that supports your chosen processor, has enough slots for your RAM, and provides room for expansion. Brands like Asus, Gigabyte, and MSI offer a wide range of motherboards to suit various needs and budgets. Memory, or RAM, is the next component on our list. For an ultimate setup, 16 to 32 gigabytes of RAM should suffice. However, if you're into 3D modeling or other RAM-intensive tasks, you might want to opt for 64 gigabytes or more. Storage is another critical component. For the ultimate PC setup, consider getting both an SSD and an HDD. The SSD will ensure your system boots up quickly, while the HDD can store your files and documents. A good rule of thumb is to go for a 1TB SSD and a 2TB HDD. Now, let's talk about the graphics card. If you're a gamer or a video editor, a high-end graphics card is a must. NVIDIA and AMD offer a range of options. Remember, a powerful graphics card requires a good cooling system, so don't forget to invest in a good CPU cooler and case fans. The case is not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. It should provide adequate room for all your components and have good airflow to keep everything cool. Brands like Corsair and NZXT offer a variety of cases that balance looks and functionality. Don't forget the power supply. Ensure it has enough wattage to support all your components. A modular power supply is a good option as it allows you to use only the cables you need, helping keep your setup neat. Lastly, the peripherals. A mechanical keyboard and a gaming mouse can significantly improve your experience, whether you're gaming or typing. A high-resolution monitor is also essential to fully enjoy your ultimate PC setup. To summarize, building the ultimate PC setup involves choosing the right processor, motherboard, RAM, storage, graphics card, case, power supply, and peripherals. It's a process that requires careful consideration of your needs and budget, but the result is a powerful machine that can handle any task you throw at it, providing an unparalleled computing experience. So, go ahead, start planning your ultimate PC setup today.